Office in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Randolph to near Brooklyn, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Stoughton, McFarland, Monona, Marshall, Cottage Grove.